Hi, I'm Rene and I'm basically making this small video as a add-on to the maintenance video that Simply Atomic put online. His video was already pretty comprehensive, he just missed one little thing. I'm not going to show you how to dismantle the entire thing because that's pretty clear in Simply Atomic's video. I'm just gonna basically look at the knuckles and the axis. One moment. So as you see now, the car is taken apart. How you do that you can see at Simply Atomic's video. I'm not going to do that again. What we're going to concentrate on are the two front wheels and the knuckles. You can easily just pull them. You have to be very, my fingers are too big for this, I guess. Be very careful. You can pull the front wheel from the edges and the knuckle. That leaves you with this. Basically the knuckle, see if I can zoom in. This is not my job, I'm not a YouTuber. This is the knuckle and the wheel. Now normally this part, the back part of the wheel, it's out of focus here. The back part of the wheel needs cleaning. With me that's not the case because I already done that. And you can remove the little axle from the knuckle like so. Now you have a chance to clean the knuckle, and as a trick just lubricate it with simply silicone spray. I'll do this off camera, but anybody knows how to use a spray bottle, I know. And you put it all back together. Make sure you put the right wheel on the right knuckle and the edges on the correct space. You can basically, they're very small, click them back on the edges, like, where is it? Here, like this. You have a tiny click here, and they're back. And of course you do the same for the other one. But that's just the beginning. After you've done this, you reassemble as normal. I'll be back. As you can see, we're back. The car is basically already reassembled besides the shell. And this is really the big trick. What you want to do is get to spin those front wheels as fast as possible, forward and backwards. And based on the scale of these cars, that's not gonna happen when driving them. So what do? You take your mini seat, preferably in all-wheel drive, because I locked the referential, and what you do is simply press this little tire and start spinning it. Look at this. It keeps spinning. Oops. And you go backward, forward, backward. It basically helps the silicone spray really lubricate the entire axle and the inside of the knuckle, and those wheels will spin faster than they've ever done. After this treatment, this little car will drive as never before. Thanks for the attention, and simply, I hope you're gonna place this.